This video is presented by R. Shivakirtan. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic of cybersecurity. First, we are going to see now cybersecurity contents. First one, introduction and definition. Second one, inception. Third one, common terms. Fourth one, types. Fifth one, compounds. Sixth one, carrier. Seventh one, specialization. Sixth, preventive measures. Generally, the term cybersecurity is defined as relating to a non-characteristic of the culture of components, the information technology and virtual realities. So, the term cybersecurity is used to refer the security offered through online services to protect your online informations. Introduction. With any increased amount of people getting entered the internet, the security threats that cause massive harm to also increasing. The peoples are not getting proper security to the data. As the result, many peoples are becoming a victims to cybersecurities. Hackers. Hackers. Now let us see now hackers is simple word. A person who break into other system without their permissions. Usually they gain access to administration controls. Hacking is completely illegal because no one has rights to visit other system without permission. So it is hacking is completely illegal. And there are three types of hackers. The first one is white hat, black hat, and grey hat. White hat consider the good guys because they follow the rules when it is comes to hacking into system without permissions. Next one, black hat consider the cyber criminal. They do not lose the sleep over the weathers or not something or illegal and wrong. The last one is grey hat. May have a good intention but might not disclose the flaw or see immediate fixes. And the next one is malware. What is malware? Is nothing but malicious software. This software is designed with the intention of causing serious damage of data, allowing computer to be controlled remotely without the owner knowledge. Can be cleared by antivirus. It is malware. Malware is any software that infect the damage of a computer system without the owner knowledge or permission. The cyber criminal is typically used to extract the data, then can leave the coverage over the victim for financial gain. Next to see now it is types of attack. There are classified into two types. First one is active attack, second one is passive attack. Active attack modify the data and affect the system. It can be easily detected the active attack. But passive attack monitoring the data does not affect the system, cannot be easily detected. In active attack is try to modify the content of the message. This attack to easily identify may damage a system and resources. And the next one is passive attack. An attacker observe the messages and copies them. This attack is difficult to identify, may not to damage the system. And the next one is components. The components are said to be of cyber security. First one is artificial infrastructures, second one is cloud security, and third one is Internet of Things, and fourth one is network security, and fifth one is ongoing employee training. And the next one is classification of cyber crimes. There are classified into four types. First one is against the individual, second one is against the property, and third one is against the organization, and fourth one is against the societies. And first against the individual is online shopping, it's Amazon, Flipkart, or anyone. Second one against the property is credit card frauds, its ATM pin is sharing to another one. Third one is against the organization, password sniffing, email bombing, and mail bombs. And the last one is against the society, it is cyber terrorism. And the last one see now it is how to prevent the cyber security. The prevention measures. First one is use a strong password, and the second one is secure your computer, and the third one is block spyware attack, and the fourth one is be social media safe, and fifth one is secure your mobile devices, and the sixth one is protect your data, and the seventh one is secure your wireless network, and eighth protect your identity, and ninth one avoid being scammed. It's all type how to prevent the cyber securities.